Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a restaurant in America. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two restaurant servers, Sam and Mina, and their customers. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How much do people usually tip at a restaurant in America? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Mina. Are you ready for your first full day?
Good morning, Sam. I think so, but I still feel a little nervous.
That is normal. Let's go over the menu one more time before we open.
Okay, I already read it 3 times last night.
Great. Let's start with the drinks. What is the price of a small coffee?
It says $2 here.
Right, but remember, the price on the menu doesn't include tax.
Oh, really? In Japan, the price on the menu is usually the final price.
I see. Here it's different. We add sales tax at the end.
So the total is always a little more than the menu price.
Yes, exactly. Customers pay the menu price plus tax.
That could be confusing for new visitors.
It can be. Some tourists look at their receipt and feel surprised.
I understand now. I will explain it if a customer asks.
Good idea. Now let's look at the register. This red button opens a new order.
Okay, I see it. And this one?
That one adds an item to the order.
What if I make a mistake?
Don't worry, this red button removes the last item.
That's easy to remember.
Let's also check the tables. Table 5 needs new napkins.
I'll get them right now.
Good. Let's also check the specials board for today.
I see soup of the day and a grilled fish special.
Right. If a customer asks, tell them the soup changes every day.
Okay, what is today's soup?
Today, it's tomato soup. It's very popular with our regular customers.
Got it. I'll remember that.
One more thing. Always smile when you greet a table.
I'll try my best to remember everything.
You'll be fine. Everyone learns step by step.
Thank you for explaining all of this so clearly.
Of course, that's what a good trainer does.
I feel less nervous now.
Good. Let's turn on the lights and unlock the front door.
Okay, I'll unlock it now.
Thanks. We open in 10 minutes.
I'm ready. Let's have a good day.
Good. Let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome back. Would you like a table by the window?
Yes, please. Thank you for remembering.
Of course. What would you like to drink today?
I'll have a cola, please.
Sure, I'll bring that right away. Here is your cola.
Thank you. This is a busy day for you, isn't it?
Yes, it's my first full day here. I'm still learning.
You're doing well. Don't worry too much.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Can I get a refill, please?
Sure, refills are free here.
Oh, nice. I didn't know that.
Yes, for soda drinks, you can have as many refills as you like.
That's great. I always order 2 or 3.
I'll bring your food soon, too. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. It will take about 10 minutes.
No problem. Take your time.
Thank you for waiting.
You seem calm now. Good job.
Thank you. I'm starting to feel less nervous.
How long have you worked here?
Today is my first full day. Before this, I only watched and helped a little.
Well, you are very good at this. I come here every week and this is great service.
That means so much to me. Thank you for saying that.
Can you also bring some extra napkins, please?
Of course, I'll bring those with your food.
Perfect. And could you check on my friend's order too? He should be here soon.
Sure, I'll watch for him at the door.
Thank you. You're very helpful.
I'll go put in your order now.
Take your time. There's no rush at all.
Thank you, that's kind. I'll be right back.
Mina, are you doing okay? You look a little tired.
A little. There are so many things to remember today.
I understand. I felt the same way on my first day.
Really? You seem to feel less nervous now.
I wasn't like this at the beginning. I made many small mistakes.
What kind of mistakes?
Once, I brought the wrong drink to a whole table.
That sounds embarrassing.
It was, but everyone understood. New servers always make mistakes.
That makes me feel better.
Just take one table at a time. Don't think about everything at once.
One table at a time. I like that.
And it's okay to ask questions. I asked a lot of questions too.
I will remember that.
You are already doing better than you think.
Thank you, Sam. That really helps.
Let's take a short break, then go back out there together.
Sounds good. I feel ready again.
Good. I'm glad.
Thanks for being kind while I learn.
Of course. We were all new once.
Can I ask you something? How long have you worked here?
I've worked here for almost 3 years now.
Wow, that's a long time. Do you still like it?
Yes, I do. I like meeting new people every day.
What was the hardest part for you at the start?
Remembering all the orders without writing everything down.
I still write down almost every order.
That's fine. Most new servers do that at the beginning.
When did you stop needing to write things down?
After a few months, it started to feel much easier.
That makes me excited for later.
You'll get there too. Just keep practicing every shift.
I will. Thank you for sharing that with me.
Also, don't be afraid to ask another server for help during a busy time.
I was a little afraid to ask for help earlier today.
You don't need to feel that way. We help each other all the time.
That makes me feel much better about today.
Good. A strong team makes everything easier for everyone.
I want to be part of a strong team like that.
You already are. You just joined us today.
Thank you, Sam. That really means a lot to me.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is tax, meaning extra money added to a price by the government. For example, the menu price does not include tax. The second word is refill, meaning filling a cup again with the same drink. For example, can I get a refill of my soda, please? The third word is tip, meaning extra money you give for good service. For example, we usually leave a tip of 15 to 20%. The fourth word is receipt. The R-E-C-E-I-P-T. The P is silent, meaning a paper that shows what you paid for. For example, here is your receipt. Have a good night. The fifth word is doggy bag, meaning a box for food you could not finish. For example, could I get a doggy bag for this, please? Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Sam and Mina at the restaurant.
Sam, come here for a second.
What is it, Grace?
We have no salmon left tonight.
Oh no, we already sold the last one?
Yes, it's all gone. We need more from the delivery tomorrow.
Okay, I'll tell the servers right away.
Please tell them not to take any more salmon orders.
Will do. By the way, is the chicken okay?
Yes, we still have plenty of chicken.
Good, I'm glad. It's a busy night.
It really is. The kitchen is full of orders.
You're doing a great job back here.
Thanks, Sam. You too, out on the floor.
I'll go tell Mina and the others about the salmon now.
Sounds good. Let me know if anything else changes.
I will. Thanks for telling me.
No problem. Good luck out there tonight.
Thanks, Grace. Talk to you soon.
Wait, one more thing. We're also low on the soup tonight.
Oh no, really? That's our most popular item today.
I know. We have enough for maybe 5 more bowls?
Okay, I'll ask the servers to check before they promise it.
Good idea. I don't want anyone to be sad.
Should I tell them to offer the tomato soup instead?
Yes, that's a good choice instead. We have plenty of that.
Great, I'll let everyone know right now.
Thanks, Sam. You always help me remember everything.
That's what teammates are for.
Have a good rest of your shift.
You too, Grace. See you later.
Oh, and can you ask the servers to check the fish special too?
Sure. How many are left?
I think we have about 6 more plates of that.
Okay, I'll pass that along with the soup update.
Thanks. It's such a busy night tonight.
It really is, but the team is doing a great job.
I agree. Everyone is working hard out there.
Let's keep working hard until closing time.
Sounds good. I'll keep the kitchen moving fast.
Good work today, Mina. The restaurant is finally quiet.
Thank you. I'm tired, but I learned a lot.
Let's finish with something important. Tips.
Okay, I've been wondering about that.
Look at this receipt. The total for food and drinks is $40.
Okay,
We usually tip 15 to 20% here.
so how much would that be?
Let's calculate together. What is 10% of $40?
That's $4.
Right. Now double that for 20%.
That would be $8.
Exactly. So a good tip here is between $6 and $8.
I understand now. Why do people tip so much here?
Many servers earn less money per hour. Tips are a big part of our pay.
Oh, I didn't know that. That explains a lot.
That's why good service really matters here.
I'll remember to always do my best for every table.
That's a good way to think. You'll do great.
Thank you for teaching me all of this today.
You're welcome. Let's count the register now.
Okay, I'm ready.
Before we count, let's write down the total sales for tonight.
Okay, I have the paper right here.
Good. That will help us with the final report. Let's also talk about splitting tips.
Oh, I didn't know we split tips.
Sometimes, if we help each other with a big table, we share the tip.
That sounds fair. We did work together on table 9 today.
Right, so we'll split that tip the same for both of us.
How do we decide what's fair?
We usually just split it in half if we both helped equally.
That makes sense. Working together really matters here.
Exactly. A good team makes the whole shift easier.
I'm glad I get to learn from you.
I'm glad to teach you. You learned fast today.
Thank you. I still have a lot to learn, though.
Everyone does. That's part of the job.
How was everything tonight, sir?
It was great, thank you, but I couldn't finish it all.
Would you like anything else, or are you finished?
Could I get a box for this?
Of course. I'll bring one right away.
Thank you. I hate wasting good food.
I understand completely. Many people take food home here.
Is that common in America?
Yes, very common. We call it a doggy bag.
That's a funny name.
It is, but no one thinks it's strange to ask for one.
That's good to know. Here's my card for the bill.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Have a wonderful night.
Thank you so much. You did a great job tonight.
That means a lot to me. Thank you for coming in.
I will come back soon.
We would love to see you again next time.
Take care now.
You too. Good night.
One more thing. Is this your first time working here?
Yes, today is actually my first full day.
Really? I couldn't tell at all. You seemed very calm.
Thank you so much. That's a really nice thing to say.
I mean it. You did everything well tonight.
I had a great trainer today. He taught me a lot.
Well, you can tell. I'll be sure to ask for you next time.
I would love that. Thank you again for your kind words.
Enjoy the rest of your shift.
Thank you. Have a safe trip home.
By the way, was the food here always this good?
I think so. Our chef has worked here for many years.
I could tell. I will tell my friends about this place.
That would be wonderful. We always love new customers.
I'm sure I'll be back very soon.
We'll be happy to see you again next time.
Thanks again for a great evening.
Thank you for choosing us tonight. Take care.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How much do people usually tip at a restaurant in America? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.